Kiyo. I don't think some of them have tried this before. So
Do you want a third flavour or just the two?
yeah, three scoop.
Yes. Coconut sorbets.
Yep.
Crescent sorbets.
Wala ko pasada. Rigo na, Rigo.
Bill, dingin na kilo. That's something this. Boom. Ito na nalagyan niya. Tan, dulu pagi mas.
Mana Wilson?
Bin. Ikel, kita beli gitu yuk.
Sen mas.
So one.
Nice.
This one's
Sen Will.
yeah.
All right. Eh? Warna es krim mo ka? Tuan. Mana mana? Eh? Agak toko lepas tu. Orang jelas toko.
Ito yung vanilla na.
Ada apa nama flavor?
Chocolate cream.
Oh, coklat ni apa?
Chocolate corn.
Oh, okay. Oh, zakar neta. Coklat ni combo. Thank you.